Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And I don't have food stuck to my mouth. I usually shave before I do my videos, so this is called New Blade, Old Technique. We'll just call it that. This radio is out of a 71 Olds 442 convertible. I have learned from my customers, do not call it a 442. My customers say it is a 442. So this is out of a 71 Olds 442. Comes from Jack in Whiting, Indiana. I lived in Indiana for a short time. I worked in Lafayette, and I lived in a little town called Monon, population 1,600. Monon was not a very exciting town. I had a job manufacturing semi-trailers, and I lasted 4 days. I'm like 135 pounds, and I don't do well with hard, heavy physical work involving huge hunks of steel and iron. So anyway, let's go ahead and I've got it set to AM at the moment, just because it's faster to do AM first. So let's go ahead and turn it on.
Look for gifts.
And there's the one.
Virtually every product. This includes
there's the one AM station I get.
A collection of some of my most important.
So now we'll go to. You know what? We'll keep it on talk radio while we demonstrate the balance and fader functions. I never use the original fader because most of them don't work anymore. They're self-destructive by design. So the tone control serves three purposes. It serves as a tone control. It's also a virtual left-right balance control and a virtual front-rear fader. So we're going to demonstrate that right now. Let's bring our output level meters in the picture so we can see results of our adjustments.
Thank you for taking my call, Dennis. I agree with you 100%.
Okay, virtual front-rear fader. We turn our tone control twice to the right. So obviously we need to rotate it to the center so we've got room to turn to the right. 2 turns to the right should activate the virtual front-rear fader.
With
fader adjust.
Okay, so this now the same knob is adjusting our front rear speaker balance all the way front,
either way,
all the way rear, front, rear.
So
okay, I'm going to let that time out.
Fader set.
Fader set. Okay, now we got the left right balance control. Same procedure except we turn our tone control twice to the left to activate that.
Balance adjust.
Balance adjust. So now
I don't understand liking a group.
All the way left.
I don't.
All the way right. Come on, talk. So
that's why I always open up the male-female hour.
See if
I'm not a male fan.
I'm waiting for them to say something because if they go too long without me moving the control, then the function times out. So that's why I was waiting for them to say something. Okay, now let's go to FM, which we do by turning the unit off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Now we're on FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area to make sure that all the presets work. So let's try those real quick. Okay, just do a quick little manual tune.
Well, what does he do? I'm Stephen Crandall, owner.
I'm Barry Phone.
CPA firm. If you need
to put your faith.
Como con Antonia, con Maria.
Alrighty. So there we have it. Everything's working. Let's make sure our dial light works. You can see that flashing on and off, peeking out the back of the unit there. So everything's working. She's ready to go back, and I just may take the rest of the day off. Or I think I've got some packing of customers' units to do. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you've just seen what I can do to an old AM radio. I can add FM, and depending on how much you want to spend, I can also add Bluetooth, USB reader, HD radio, input output boxes, stuff like that. It's all on my website, which I do ask the customer to visit before calling me. My number is 928-533-9666. My website is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you guys next time.